Yojong, Yojong. Today is April 27th, 12:15. A lot of people out here turning again this Saturday. It's actually a beautiful day today. Got my 2 kids with me, my wife, and we're gonna be doing some hike. We are at a trail called Bird Ridge. It's right on Bird Creek here. This is where we're gonna be doing a hike. Okay, no. They cut this tree down and it's still blooming. Woo! Tide's going out. When we got here, there's still a lot of water. Tides are turning. Well, tides have turned. Okay. So this is the trail. Here we go. Next leg. Oh, ito ko dato there. There's a lot of squirrels. You gotta climb up this. Tuần chiều cũng về nó plot xài tê tờ nó chạy nó bé. Woo! Tide's going out. Water's falling. Woo! Check that out. Đùa té tới chờ Alaska mà đây xe tới khỏi xe chấp lời giống có thể tiêu. Don't do that, girl. Give me a thumbs up.
Giving you a thumbs down.
So? Okay.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. It's beautiful. Woo! Check that.
Wow.
Right. There's a gas station here before you get down to Gearwood. And Gearwood, that is the last gas station until you hit the major city, little towns. So you got about 90 miles to the next gas station. So if you don't have enough gas, you better fill up here. A couple years ago, Gearwood used to be one of the best gas stations with the price in town. But last year, since the new owner took over 2 years ago, it has become a little bit more expensive for my taste. So I try to fill up in town before I head out. So literally,
Oh, there's another one right there. Oh, mà nào phải nón đâu đấy.
cái kia nữa.
Chơi nhỉ nó nào rồi.
Oh, ito ko dato there. There's a lot of squirrels. Don't do that, girl. Give me a thumbs up.
She's giving you a thumbs down.
So?
It's not too bad.
Not too bad. It's beautiful. Woo! Check that.
Wow. Show nó hay vậy Trung Go.
side?
Yeah.
We'll take your time. This right here, down here.
Kia lò cây dữ liệu.
Lao.
Hầu shit kìa.
Lao.
Tân sai nó short dọc đó chứ lử lì đấy.
Woo. I hope anything can change, but we haven't been swimming in camp for a while. Be nice to get some really hot weather. You better enjoy it. Oh, check out this view Gavin got. Wow. Let's go find an opening so that we can sit. Oh, right there on those rocks to the left there. Or should we sit and watch, look at this view here? Let your mama find. I don't know how far up, but there's opening views here out to the left, but seems like you guys don't want to go up that far anymore. Yeah, right here's fine.
There's a mosquito in here, girl.
Take it easy, one step at a time. Come on, guys. Just to rest. If you guys were with me,
Tụi tôi nó cái chia sọt trong
đấy, đấy chỉ trong muốn lên từ.
Ở tụi tôi nó cái sao?
We just, you'll find me eating this in the airplane. You'll find me eating this at the airport. You'll find me eating this halfway up the mountain.
Oh, such a beautiful day.
Đấy, đấy chỉ trong muốn lên từ. We just, you'll find me eating this Hello. Wow. Look at all those channels, Gavin. So look at all those channels. I think when the salmon runs, that's the main channel it's gonna come through. Why didn't you guys come down this way? Okay. So this was where we went. We only got up to that rock part. Did we even get to the rock part?
Yes, we did. We sat on the side only.
Yeah. We got up to that rock part up there, and that's it. There's 2, 3, 4. That peak is way up there. Well,
We did good with the kids.
thank you for joining. If you like what I share, my adventures, my free time,
Come on, girl, let's go.
please like and subscribe. Thank you.